AWS Lambda now supports custom serializer for Java runtimes. Let me quickly explain when to use custom serialization and how to use it. Default Java serializer provided by AWS Lambda managed Java runtimes is good enough for most of the use cases, but you may find some use cases where default serializer falls short. For example, in this JSON payload property name is vehicle tag type, whereas Java Pojo vehicle has the property name vehicle type in camel case. So here default reserialization will not work as expected between JSON and Java Pojo. And here we need custom serializer. To implement custom serializer, we need AWS Lambda-Java-Core library. Based on your build framework, add AWS Lambda-Java-Core dependency. From this library, we'll use custom Pojo serializer interface to implement our custom serializer. Let's jump to AWS GitHub samples. Here, you will find multiple examples using different serialization frameworks. Steps are same for all. You need to create a file named com.amazonaws.services.lambda.runtime.custom-pojo serializer. Inside source main resources META-INF services directory. There, specify the fully qualified name of your custom serializer implementation. Basically, AWS managed Java runtime will look for custom serializer in this predefined file. And the custom serializer has to implement the custom Pojo serializer interface. Finally, map the JSON field name in the Pojo class name according to your JSON payload property name and enjoy this new capability. That's it for today's update. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Until then, happily float on the cloud.